Hello, my name is Guam Pulsan, and today we will be taking a look at competition number 12613, sprint number 19. The question says, Charles has D standard six-sided dice. He notices that when he rolls all D of his dice once, it is possible for the sum of the numbers rolled to be either S or S squared for some positive integer S. What is the sum of all distinct possible values of S plus D? So there are D dice, and it is possible for the sum of the dice to be represented as S and S squared. So when he rolls one dice, it's possible for the sum to be 1 and 1 squared. And this is legal because the max value the S squared can be from D dice when D is equal to 1 is 6. And 2 and 4 is also legal because that is less than 6. But something like 3 and 9 is not legal because that 9 is not less than 6. So from these, we can write inequalities. S is greater than or equal to D, and S squared is less than or equal to 60. And we will see that the max that D can be is 6. So from that, we can go on and write when D is equal to 2, the max is 12. And we can write 2 and 4. And 3 and 9 is also legal, but 4 and 16 is not. And when D is equal to 3, we can write 3 and 9 and 4 and 16 because D max, S squared max is 18, but 5 and 25 is not legal. And for 4, we can write 4 and 16 only because the max here is 24. And for 5, we can write 5 and 25 because the max is 30. And for 6, we can write 6 and 36 because the max is 36. And we can't go any further than D is equal to 6. So D plus S, S plus D, here it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, and 12. And we are asked for the sum of all distinct possible values of S plus D. So we have to add everything here. And 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 is equal to 57. Just going to write that more neat, 57. That will be our final answer.
Hi, everybody. This is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.